Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two pet insurance platforms, which is Trupanion and Embrace. So let's dive into it. So talking about Trupanion is known for its simplicity and strong coverage. It offers 90% reimbursement on eligible claims, unlimited lifetime payout, and even pays pets directly, so you don't have to wait for reimbursement. It also covers hereditary and congenital conditions, making it a solid choice for pet owners who want full protection without worrying about limit. So Embrace, on the other hand, is more flexible and budget friendly. It lets you customize deductible and reimbursement rates, including options like wellness plan, and has a unique rollover features where unused benefit carries into the next year. This makes it a great for pet parents who want more control over costs while still getting solid coverage. And here's my conclusion. So Trupanion is best if you want premium coverage and ease of use, while Embrace is better if flexibility and affordability matters most to you. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.